What if I told you that a simple white powder sitting in your kitchen holds secrets that could completely transform your health, especially when it comes to energy, circulation, and even your sexual performance? Most people think baking soda is just for baking or deodorizing your fridge, but the truth is, only about 2% of people know its real impact on the human body. And trust me, what I'm about to reveal isn't just theory, it's backed by science, real experiences, and some jaw-dropping benefits that most have never heard of. By the end of this video, you'll discover exactly how much baking soda to take, how to take it, and when to expect real results. So, before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button if you love discovering powerful, underrated health secrets. The shocking truth about pH and your sexual health. Your body's pH level is the hidden switch controlling your energy, circulation, and even sperm health. Most people have no idea, but the wrong pH balance is silently wrecking performance, killing stamina, and draining vitality. Too much acidity in your body is like pouring sludge into an engine. It clogs circulation, slows oxygen delivery, and leaves you feeling sluggish, weak, and underpowered where it matters most. Research published in Human Reproduction, 2018, found that semen pH plays a direct role in sperm motility and overall fertility. When the pH is too low, acidic, sperm struggle to move, reducing fertility and performance. Baking soda is the key. It neutralizes excess acid in your body, cutting down inflammation and unlocking smoother, unrestricted blood flow. It optimizes oxygen delivery. Athletes secretly use this to boost endurance, stamina, and peak performance. Journal of Applied Physiology, 2016. It supercharges sperm motility, giving them the power to move faster and survive longer. Human Reproduction, 2018. Take 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 glass of water, 8 to 10 ounces. Drink it first thing in the morning or 30 minutes before a meal. You'll notice better digestion and more energy within 3 to 5 days. With consistent use for 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start feeling the full force of its impact: better circulation, enhanced stamina, and overall body balance. But that's just the beginning. What if I told you baking soda also plays a major role in blood flow and nitric oxide production? Let me explain. The blood flow and circulation boost you didn't expect. Most cases of erectile dysfunction aren't about testosterone, they're about circulation. Without proper blood flow, no amount of testosterone can fix the problem. Blood flow is what makes the difference between peak performance and frustrating failure. When circulation is weak, your body struggles to deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. Energy drops. Endurance fades. Stamina disappears. You feel it in your workouts, in your daily energy levels, and especially in your intimate moments. Here's where baking soda changes everything. A 2019 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, significantly enhances exercise endurance, delays fatigue, and improves blood flow by reducing lactic acid buildup. It works by buffering acidity in the muscles, allowing them to perform longer without fatigue. Baking soda lowers lactic acid buildup, preventing fatigue and improving nitric oxide production, the very same compound responsible for relaxed blood vessels and powerful circulation. A 2020 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology confirmed that nitric oxide plays a direct role in vascular relaxation and blood flow, making it essential for both athletic performance and sexual function. It enhances oxygen transport in the blood, meaning more endurance, better stamina, and improved performance. Athletes secretly use it as a natural performance booster, similar to expensive pre-workout supplements, but without artificial stimulants or side effects. Take 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in warm water, 8 ounces, or mix it with lemon juice for better absorption. Drink it 30 minutes before exercise or intimacy to experience a blood flow boost. Some people report improved endurance within 7 days, but to unlock the full benefits, stronger circulation, sustained stamina, and better overall performance, give it 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. But circulation isn't the only thing at risk. There's another hidden danger that's quietly killing testosterone and desire. And baking soda? It might just be the easiest fix. The hidden testosterone drain that no one talks about. Most people don't realize that poor kidney function can silently drain testosterone levels. It doesn't happen overnight. It's slow, it's silent, and by the time you notice the fatigue, the lack of drive, and the loss of strength, it's already been working against you for years. Your kidneys do more than just filter toxins. They play a direct role in hormonal balance, blood flow, and even muscle recovery. When they're overworked, due to high acidity, poor diet, or dehydration, they struggle to clear urea, a waste product that, when left unchecked, lowers testosterone and wrecks performance. Here's the shocking part. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Endocrinology found that kidney dysfunction leads to decreased testosterone levels, reduced red blood cell production, and increased fatigue. Another study in Renal Physiology, 2020, confirmed that excess urea buildup disrupts the body's ability to produce and regulate key hormones. Baking soda is the simple but powerful solution. It reduces urea buildup, protecting the kidneys from toxic overload and keeping testosterone levels stable. It also acts as a natural kidney detox, balancing the body's internal environment to support optimal hormone function. Take 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 glass of water, 8 to 10 ounces. Drink it slowly. Consume it before bed for overnight detox benefits, allowing your kidneys to work more efficiently while you sleep. Most people notice a boost in energy, mental clarity, and recovery within 2 to 4 weeks. But the long-term benefits: a stronger, more resilient body, better testosterone regulation, and improved overall health. Before we get into this next shocking factor that's secretly draining your energy, take a quick second to hit that like button if you're finding this eye-opening so far. It helps more people discover these powerful health hacks, and trust me, the next part is something everyone needs to hear. And speaking of hidden dangers, there's another silent killer of performance that most people completely ignore, and it's living inside your gut right now. The shocking link between Candida and sexual health. Your body is under attack, and you don't even know it. Candida overgrowth is the silent energy thief, the focus destroyer, the performance killer. It doesn't just cause bloating or mild discomfort, it saps your stamina, clouds your mind, and cripples your ability to function at your peak. Too much Candida in the body leads to low energy, brain fog, and erectile dysfunction. Why? Because when yeast overgrows in your gut, it throws everything off: your digestion, your hormones, your immune system, and your ability to absorb vital nutrients. It's a slow, creeping disaster that men ignore until they start feeling constantly drained, weak, and disconnected. Here's the science behind it. A 2019 study in the Journal of Fungal Biology confirmed that unchecked Candida overgrowth disrupts testosterone metabolism, increases inflammation, and can directly impact libido and sexual performance. Another study in Clinical Microbiology Reviews, 2021, found that excessive Candida growth weakens gut function, creating a cascade of problems that wreck energy levels and hormone balance. Baking soda is the natural antifungal powerhouse that helps eliminate yeast overgrowth at its root. It restores gut balance, creating an environment where Candida cannot thrive. When your gut is balanced, your testosterone levels stabilize, your energy returns, and your mental clarity sharpens. Take 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 glass of water every morning on an empty stomach to cleanse the gut and reduce yeast overgrowth. For external relief from Candida-related irritation, use it as a sitz bath, adding baking soda to warm water and soaking for 10 to 15 minutes. Most people experience a reduction in bloating and an energy boost within 5 to 10 days, with Candida symptoms improving significantly in 2 to 3 weeks. And finally, let's talk about hygiene. Because there's a surprising reason why baking soda can change the game for men's health, and it's not what you think. The secret role of baking soda in penile hygiene. Hygiene isn't just about feeling clean, it's about protecting yourself from silent threats that can affect your confidence, comfort, and even performance. Poor hygiene leads to irritation, inflammation, and infections that can gradually weaken sensitivity and cause long-term discomfort. Bacteria and fungi thrive in warm, moist environments, and the groin area is the perfect breeding ground. Even if you shower daily, soap alone isn't enough to eliminate all the harmful microbes that can cause unpleasant odors, itching, and irritation. Here's where science backs up the power of baking soda. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science confirmed that baking soda is highly effective at eliminating bacteria and fungi responsible for infections and skin irritation. Another study in Mycopathologia, 2019, showed that sodium bicarbonate effectively inhibits the growth of Candida, a common fungal infection that can cause discomfort and sensitivity in intimate areas. Baking soda changes the game. It's a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent that eliminates harmful microbes before they cause problems. It neutralizes odor at the source, soothes sensitive skin, and prevents irritation and infections before they start. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in warm water and use it as a gentle rinse after showering. For maximum freshness and protection, use it before intimacy to feel completely clean and confident. The relief is immediate, but for long-term protection and skin health, use it consistently for 1 to 2 weeks and experience the full benefits. Now that you know the surprising ways baking soda can transform your health, there's one last thing you need to hear, because using it the wrong way can actually be dangerous. Overuse can lead to alkalosis, nausea, or electrolyte imbalances. Avoid taking it too close to meals, it can interfere with digestion. Now that you know what only 2% of people do, don't let this knowledge go to waste. Try it out, see the difference, and let me know in the comments what shocked you the most. And if you want more breakthrough health hacks like this, don't forget to subscribe, because I've got plenty more secrets coming your way. The simplest things in life hold the biggest secrets. And baking soda. It just might be the most underrated health hack of them all.